Yo, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today we're going to be talking about another Polkastarter IDO that is looking like it's going to be a good one, called Unmarshal. It has some decent partnerships already out the gate. It's going to be a very low market cap gem to start off with. So, but before we get into talking about that, I'd like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel. If you guys haven't already, we're on the road to 5K subscribers. So if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video for you guys. And check out the description and comment sections for the Discord and the Patreon. Let's get right into it, guys. So let me give you a quick, really brief explanation of what Unmarshal is. Unmarshal is basically the quickest way to obtain blockchain data on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot. Unmarshal is a multi-chain DeFi data network, so it is helping with the data on every multi-chain basically out there, and they do have a few partnerships already that we're going to look at after we look at the IDO listing on Polkastarter. They will be doing their IDO on Polkastarter on March 30th, which is not too far away from here, next week, right? And their initial market cap will be under $1 million, 950K to be exact. The IDO price will be 17 cents. IDO cap will be 200K, and which they raised about 2.6 million on the private sale. Then the amount of the total tokens for Unmarshal will be 100 million Marsh tokens, right? So you're able to basically purchase about 300 Marsh tokens on the Polkastarter IDO, and if you get lucky, that could be an easy 10x for you right there on your money, right? So I like that. It's a very low cap gem looking to do big things. So let's continue on to their partnerships that they do have. Their first partnership is with Elrond. They're going to be doing basically data driven things for Elrond. The collaboration will focus on bringing Elrond data into Unmarshal layer and provide builders with the ability to extract and combine it to create useful tools such as notification overviews, unified tax modules, DeFi overviews, and more. Unmarshal has the plan of launching a portal where application developers can easily get specific protocol index within a few hours of a request. This will further enhance the query layer, making the infrastructure more powerful and useful and developer friendly. That is their first partnership that they have with Elrond, and that is a pretty big partnership with a decent blockchain already. Second partnership that they do have is with Polygon, Matic, also known as Matic, right? The layer 2 solution. So let's scroll down a little. Unmarshal, being a multi-chain DeFi data network, will now be indexing the layer 2 chain Polygon. The alliance will enable application developers to easily build and deploy any kind of application such as decentralized exchange, lending / borrowing protocols, and others on Polygon. Developers can now rely on Unmarshal network to integrate with endpoints to fetch rich data with like wallet balances, protocol positions, push notifications, DeFi taxing, profit and loss tracking, history prices from the Polygon chain. So they already have two good chains that they're already partnered with, which is Elrond and Polygon. Now on to their last partnership, which is with Staffy. Staffy is a great partnership with Unmarshal. Staffy is looking to become a parachain on the Polkadot ecosystem, so I'm pretty sure they will have more partnerships throughout the whole journey that they're going to be on. Right, so far we are happy and excited to announce our partnership with Staffy. Unmarshal, being a multi-chain data indexing protocol, will now facilitate seamless access to the on-chain data to Staffy, enabling users to have a greater and intuitive user experience. Unmarshal will be providing multiple data avenues like WebSockets, RESTful APIs, etc. as endpoint integration. So that is a pretty good partnership for Staffy. And for those that actually don't know what Staffy is, right, I'm gonna give you guys a brief summary. It's just like Ramp, but on Polkadot, right? Staffy, stands for stake and finance. It is the first decentralized protocol unlocking liquidity staked assets. It is a protocol built with Substrate. The token holders stake through staking contracts built on the Staffy protocol to get alternative tokens, R tokens such as RXRT, RAtom, RDOT, etc. The R tokens are tradable, and it can get staking rewards from the original chain at the same time. It is just like Ramp, guys, just but on the Polkadot ecosystem. So that is pretty much all their partnerships that they have that I've seen. Pretty sure they will get a lot more partnerships down the line. This makes this project a very interesting IDO if you guys are able to get in at the Polkastarter IDO phase. If not, it's still a great purchase on the market. You're just gonna have to wait for it to cool down, settle down a bit, because you know how the hype is for the Polkastarter IDOs. They come out the gate doing numbers, then they come back down, they find a little floor, settle down a little bit, then you can accumulate there and then wait for the run up again. So going on to their website here, as you guys can see, it is a multi-chain DeFi data network, and so far these are all the chains that they're going to be working on. Near, I haven't actually heard of Near. That's one chain I haven't heard of. I have to look more into that, right? So it's going to build the future for DeFi, for wallets, exchange, for investors, DeFi protocols, right? And for developers, by developers, access the rich, decoded, and indexed on-chain data with a single line of code from any blockchain, right? We already talked about what Unmarshal is. As you guys can see, it is gonna do a lot of ways for you guys to access the index, the data from these blockchains, and connect other blockchains together, right? So everything you need to build on DeFi. You got the notification engine, the DeFi state engine, the API engine, tax module, profit loss engine, and a token store, right? So these are the future features. You got the rich data for balanced transactions, fully indexed blockchain data to track wallet balance and transactions on multiple chains. You got the protocol positioning, self-service portal to subscribe any new protocols, receive index data within hours, push notifications. You got this historical prices, the profit and loss tracking, and a DeFi tax. And Unmarshal aims to provide easy way to generate tax statements for any wallet. That is the big thing. As you know, taxing is going to start becoming a big thing for crypto. It is already a big thing, and we're going to need ways to help people be able to get their information for, you know, Uncle Sam, for him to tax you. They want their money. Then their roadmap. Basically, we're going to start at the end of Q1 of 2021. Basically, they're going to do their public launch, indexing for Ethereum and Polkadot, Near, and Solana. Then BSC protocol positions, Pancake Swap, right? Then Q2, which we're going to be going into as soon as they launch, protocol positionings for Aave Compound Balancer, and that's pretty big already, right? Token store. Then you got Unmarshal Indexer Network, smart contract audit. Then you got the staking protocol. Then you got Unmarshal API SDK. Then Q3, you got the DeFi tax engine, the Unmarshal Indexer Network again. The protocol for indexing framework, DeFi state ROI engine, and then that's pretty much the other ones that you have down there. And scrolling down some more, why would you choose Unmarshal? Basically, the decentralized and feature rich, having decentralized infrastructure and network of indexers makes sure that services are always stable and reliable, decoded and detailed and meaningful. Automated indexing for new protocols. Clients can request a new index chain and protocol through automated processes on the cost sharing model. Then you got multiple data avenues. Then here's the team, no picture, but you got their LinkedIn, you got their Twitter, all connected here, so they're all doxed, right? And that is pretty much what you have for Unmarshal. They will be doing their IDO on Polkastarter. Polkastarter has just been hitting it out the park with a lot of these great projects. It seems like all the good projects want to go on to Polkastarter, which is true as of right now. So it's going to be hard for pools to compete. We're going to see what pools is going to do later on. Same with Paid. Paid has a few IDOs that are looking good that I may cover, so stay tuned for that one. But let me know what you guys think about Unmarshal. Are you guys excited for Unmarshal? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on the road to 5K subscribers, so if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.